Which of the following expressions are factors of 6x squared times x plus 4? Alright, so in this polynomial we have a bunch of factors. So let's write it out again. 6x squared times x plus 4. And then let's write it with different colors. So 6 in green, we have x squared here in red, and in purple we have x plus 4. Now we're going to use our set method that we learned earlier to come up with the complete set of possibilities of factors. So for 6, we have factors of 1, 2, 3, and 6. For x squared, we have 1x or x squared. And finally, for x plus 4, we don't have any other factors. So that has to remain as is. Now, any of these numbers all multiplied together, like 2 and 2 times x plus 4, that would be a factor. 1 times x squared times x plus 4 would be a factor. So let's go through these options and see which ones are factors. So for green, here we have 1, which is a factor, so that's good. For our x degree, we have x squared, which is a factor, so that's also good. And finally, we have x plus 4, which is a factor. So this is a factor of this polynomial. All right, let's move on to B. So the coefficient is 2, which is good. That is a factor of 6. So that's yes. We have x squared, which is a factor of x squared, so that's good. And finally, we have x plus 4 again, which is a factor. Therefore, this entire expression is a factor of the polynomial. Moving on, 3 is a good factor of 6. We have x, which is a factor of x squared, so that's okay. And finally, x plus 4 again, which is a factor. So this is a factor of this polynomial. And finally, we have this one. So we have 6, which is a factor of 6. We have x, which is a factor of x squared. However, we now have x plus 4 squared. So this isn't a factor of x plus 4. So this is not in this set here, see? So this is not a factor. Therefore, the answer is A, B, and C.